What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I am doing the spring makeup look. Something I love doing in the spring and summer is just a pop of color under the eyes. And even though it doesn't feel like spring in California because it's like 60 degrees outside, I'm ready for the warm weather, and so I'm just doing a lot of easier and lighter makeup these days. So if you want to see how I got this look, just keep on watching. Alright, starting off, I am using the Laura Mercier Tinted Moisturizer in the color Natural. I've really been loving using this in the spring and summer. It's super lightweight and it definitely isn't full coverage, but it is buildable. Next, I'm using the Bobbi Brown corrector in the shade Light Bisque and just putting that underneath my eyes to cover up any dark circles. And to set that, I'm using the Laura Mercier Translucent Setting Powder. You definitely want to set that because it will crease. So I'm putting that under my eyes, on my eyelids, and in my T-zone. To bronze my face, I'm using the Chanel Bronze Universal, and I'm just putting that in my cheekbones and in my hairline. And to set that and darken up the look a little bit, I'm using the Benefit Hoola Bronzer. In the same places, I put the Chanel bronzer just on my cheekbones, on my hairline, also on my jaw and down my neck. For blush today, I am using the Benefit Coralista blush. It's just a really pretty coral shimmery color. So you just want to smile, put it on your apples of your cheeks, and blend it back. For highlighter today, I am using the MAC Soft and Gentle. I've had this for so long. I love it, it's just a very natural highlighter. For brows, I'm using the Benefit Gimme Brow. This stuff is absolutely amazing for lazy people like me. Yeah, you just want to put that through the brows. It kind of darkens them a little bit, fills them in just a little bit, and it just works wonders. Now for my lids, I'm taking that peach shade on the top row called Stardust. I'm just going to put that all over my lid as a base. And for the crease, I'm taking that top left brown shade, Twinkle, and I'm just going to put a little bit in my crease and blend it out. And for my lid, I'm taking the middle left shade called Spark. It's just a pretty champagne pink color, and I'm putting that on my lids just below my crease. And then taking that top left brown shade in Twinkle, I'm going to put that in my crease again and blend it out just to darken the look a little bit. And now for a pop of color, I'm taking the NYX eyeliner in turquoise blue and I'm putting that on my bottom waterline. And then taking that bottom right shade called Kaleidoscope, I'm going to put that on my bottom lash line just to kind of set that eyeliner and make my eyes pop a little bit more. And then I'm just taking Soft and Gentle again on my brow bone and in my inner corners. For lashes, I'm using the Revlon Ultra Volume mascara. I really been enjoying this. I don't know if it's going out or not because it's on super clearance at Ulta, but I really like what it does to my lashes. And then for lips, I'm taking the Essence Matte 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 01 shade, and it's just a good nude color that kind of goes with any look. And that is it for my video today, guys. I hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye, guys.